while this lady looks at the sunset, I'll show you guys how the back of the truck looks. I managed to stuff all our stuff in here. Fishing poles, fishing gear, riding gear, chair, helmets, cooler, gas, dog food, bike, grill, charcoal, stuff, the plywood for the trailer still in there holding. Flags are in here. Somehow I stuffed everything in there. Hopefully it makes it all to Pismo. And let's see what time we get to LA. And then we gotta wake up real early because we heard Pismo is packed already. We have a guy that's saving us a spot, but we don't know if he got a big enough spot. So we're just going with the flow, enjoying the sunset, get ready to get back on the road. Let's hit it. Try to get there fast.
You go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give.
Got here. Woohoo, finally.
No camp. Yeah. And it's also with Love to Camp, so.
Oh, okay. I don't need that. I just need this. And you'll call Love to Camp.
Okay,
right?
perfect. Yeah.
Well, we know that.
That van's gonna come in here?
That's where they stop.
No, I'm talking about the other van behind us.
Never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Gonna give, never gonna give.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here, to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. I wonder what went wrong today, Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say, To say the words to remember.
picking up of the cam and all that, but I don't know if you can see it. It's back there. It's back there. And that's the other one we got with us is the Yamaha 1000 turbo or whatever. So it's us plus other people already at the campsite. Forgot to record the campsite when we got there. I think all the trailers are there. There's like 3 more razors. So we'll see. Hopefully I don't get stuck going into the sand because my truck feels heavy. With the mini bike, dirt bike, Can-Am behind me, and all our camping stuff. So we'll see. Check back in when we get to the line, the entrance, or when we're inside the beach. So we're waiting in line to get in. We already have our stickers, but they still made us get in line just to get in. I don't know, I think they're just checking stickers or permits. Yeah, because he's going back already. Alright, so we're in the beach now. Pulling the Can-Am, Yamaha. They made us use our second reservation, but we're finally in. Time to start having some fun. Got a bunch of goodies we need to offload. Haven't offloaded the dirt bike or anything. Oh man, when the Tacoma gets stuck and gets in your way, look at this guy. All this truck to get stuck in the sand? Come on. Gil Silverado, look, still rolling.
Yeah, see. It wouldn't be Pismo without being stuck.
Need to fix my flagpole. It's a little bent. It's alright. Early Saturday morning. Waking up 8:30 a.m. Campsite. Cousin's trailer, truck, friends.